Okay, the clipping mask. Creating a clipping mask. Clipping mask is so very helpful and in some cases is the best option. If you're not dealing with anything that has texture, like any kind of watercolor background, because the clipping mask, in order to paint over it like that, you would lose all of those kind of details. But when it's a solid color, this is a great way to quickly and easily brush a new color over the lettering or whatever it is you're doing. So say we have this piece. I've already separated the tea time onto a new layer, so now I can play with the color. But because the tea time is black, the other color options like hue and saturation and color balance won't work for them. So I have to use a clipping mask. So to use a clipping mask, I'm going to come down here and click New Layer, and then right click on it, and then click Create Clipping Mask. Now, from here, all you have to do is change to your brush tool. And once you have your brush tool, you just go up there to change your color. Let's pick a nice bright color, like, ooh, this pretty blue. All right. And then you just brush it across the letters. It's as easy as pie. And there we go. All done. If you want to change the color and you're like, not jiving with this one, super easy. Come up to the color swatch. Be like, oh, maybe I want to pick a color from that's already on the artwork, and then brush it on. Nice, like it. So that's how you create and use a clipping mask. Super easy, way nice when you easily want to change and quickly change the color or play with different colors. It's a great tool in order to do that.